Okay, so we were here, right? So, profit and sales. So nothing is given. Okay, Swapnil has already calculated profit and sales. Yeah, very good, Swapnil. Okay. So profit is how much? That's mentioned in the question, right? Obviously, they will give. Yeah, profit desired on sales is 20%. So what is the base? Sales is the base. So base is always 100. Okay. So write it down. So sales will be 100. So this is 20. So there this is 80. Okay. Cross multiply, you will get the answer. So 6,84,000, which is my total cost, multiply with 100, divide by 80. So 8,55,000. 8,55,000 is my sales. Profit, difference between selling price and cost price is profit. So this is my selling price 8,55,000 minus my cost price is 6,84,000. How much? 1,71,000. 1,71,000. Great. Okay. Right. Next, let us calculate the next part. Yeah. So note number 2 of your theory. From COGS up to sales, how do you get your CPU column? Amount divided by units sold. I repeat, from COGS, from year till year, from COGS up to your sales. How do you get the CPU column? Amount divided by CPU. Okay? Yeah. Amount divided by units sold, sorry, units sold. Okay? So let us use the shortcut method. So my denominator is same, units sold. That is how much? 9,500. So see what I'm writing here. 1 upon 9,500 units sold is equal to, and press the multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, do it. 1 divided by 9,500 into. Okay, now what is the first answer I want? COGS. So write 5,98,500 and press equal. 5,98,500 and press equal to. Yeah, Swapnil, very good. 62.99 na? So round it off, dear. Round off kar do. Okay, 62.99. Make it 63. Okay, round off. The next answer what I want? Selling and distribution overheads. So 85,500 and press equal to. 85,500 press equal to. Yeah, Swapnil. Now it's 9. Yeah, very good. You have already rounded off. 8.99. So make it 9. Okay, 8.99. So that makes it to 9. Next, what answer you want? 6,84,000 ka CPU. So type 6,84,000 and press equal to. Type 6,84,000 and press equal to. Yeah, Priya, Tanisha, Swapni, Riddhi, great. Aditi, yeah, it is 72. Very good, students. This class is really smart. Huh? I mean, very catchy. You catch up things very quickly. And I hope it's all positive things you catch up quickly, huh? Not the negative ones. So next, 72. Yeah. Then next, what do you want? Profit CPU. Okay. So type 1,71,000 and press equal to. Yeah, very good, students. Yeah, 18 rupees. Great. So right here, 18. Okay. And lastly, what do you want? Sales. So type 8,55,000, press equal to 8,55,000 and press equal to, yeah, great. Very good. 90. Super. Okay, 90. Okay. Since it's your first sum, note down the steps. Once you're used to with 10 sums, it will be tuned in with your brain forever. Forever. See, like me, I have never forgotten these steps which were taught to me in my college days. Correct? Actually, these shortcuts were taught to me by my statistics teacher. The one maths teacher who used to teach us statistics, she had taught us. I mean, she has taught us many, she has taught us many techniques, many shortcut techniques. That's how I am very, handy, and I'm very used to with shortcuts. And I like shortcuts, using shortcuts because it saves time. Okay, is the question clear? Is the solution clear to everyone? Just okay, fine, great, good. Okay, so did you all realize what we did yesterday? CPU, how we calculated, and today how we calculated. So yesterday CPU was obviously a task. I mean, it was an effort-taking method, and this is an effortless method. Okay, yeah. Now, what doubt, Aradhya? You had a doubt, right? Just retype it, bacha, again. Okay, Sanchita, you want the whole sum. Okay, wait, just a minute. And Aradhya, ma'am, sums will be there in 60 marks paper only. Obvio, yeah, sums will be there in 60 marks paper, yeah. But if we are taking your test, bacha, we can ask you sums there also, right? I may not be asking a 15 mark sum, but I can shorten the sum, okay? I can shorten the length of the sum, correct? Yeah, Sanchita. So is this okay to you? Is this view clear to you? Okay. I would take just 2 minutes more. The same sum ka, I will show you the difference with the weighted average cost method like what we did yesterday. And don't worry about the sum solution. Obviously, you people have to write it because you will be appearing for the test next month. So you should know the methodology and everything. But all this I will be sharing with you all later. Once the chapter is done, I will share this OneNote with you. I'm using this OneNote app. So for me also, maintaining notes is like a notebook only. Very similar to yours. I can just send it across to you. 20 marks theory MCQs. Everything will be conveyed later, Aradhya. Nishikant sir will be giving the view about it. I have just intimated you all that there is going to be an exam. That's it. Okay. Next, yeah. Students, note this down. If the same sum is asked in exam, but with weighted average method. Okay. So write it. Note number 3. Alternatively, if closing stock of finished goods to be valued at weighted average cost method. So I'm not redoing the whole sum again. I've started from COP. Am I clear? I am not redoing it again. Yeah. Obviously, why would we waste time? I just want you to show the concept clarity about weighted average cost. So till COP, the sum is going to be same only, whether you do it with FIFO or you do it with weighted average. After COP, the answer will change. Here, let me show you the whole sum again. See, 63 rupees is FIFO method and net factory cost 55 rupees is weighted average cost method. Okay, so don't forget. Yeah, write this down. Add opening stock of finished goods not given. Put a dash. Less closing stock of finished goods. Enel is saying, what if the closing stock is not given? No, dear. Such sums we will not ask you only. Why would we ask not? Why would we ask you sums where closing stock is only not given? Because that is the prime part of the question, calculation of closing stock. So that will be there in the question by default. Okay, yeah. We will not give you sums where there is no closing stock calculation. Clear? Otherwise, what is there to ask in 15 marks? Okay. Closing stock of finished goods by weighted average cost method. So 500 units multiplied with 55 rupees net factory cost per unit. Okay. So 500 multiplied with 55 rupees. So 27,500. So write it 27,500. Okay. Subtract it. 6 lakh 30 cost of production minus 27,500. So 6 lakh 2,500. COGS, cost of goods sold. 6 lakh 2,500. Then add selling and distribution overheads. Directly take the total, 85,500. 85,500. Add. So my cost of sales, yeah, total cost is 6,88,000. 6,88,000. Okay. And then use the same thing. Then use the same thing. 80, 20, 100 ratio, cross multiply, you will get the answer. Okay. Fine. Yeah, Swapnil, I'll come to that, bacha. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll come to the CPU column. Then I'll tell you. Okay. So 6,88,000 into 100 divided by 80. So my sales is 8,60,000. Selling price minus cost price 6,88,000. 1,72,000 is my profit. Okay. Here. Yeah. Next, calculate the CPU, right? This column from year till year. Okay. So what shortcut are we gonna use? 1 divided by, how much is my unit sold? 10,000. Equal to multiplication sign 2 times. Okay. Use that shortcut. 1 divided by 10,000 equal to, sorry, not 10,000. Sorry. My unit sold is 9,500. I'm so sorry. Yeah. 10,000 is my units produced. So 9,500. Okay. Use the shortcut method. 1 divided by 9,500 equal to into. Now which answer I want? I want this answer. 6 lakh to 500. Right? So type 6 lakh to 500, press equal to 63.42. Okay. Now Swapnil, your query was what? What was your query? Ma'am, we should round it off or not? For the CPU column, you don't have to round off the answer. You go up to 3 decimals and round off the second one. Okay, Swapnil, go up to 3 decimals, round off the second one. Is that clear? So 6.63.42. Keep it 63.42. Okay, don't write 63. Clear? Okay, fine. Okay, next, what do you want? Selling and distribution. So type 85,500 and press equal to 85,500 and press equal to 8.999. This you can round off, Swapnil. Clear now? Your doubt is clear. Okay, this you can round off. Okay, so 8.99, almost a paisa, 1 paisa difference, right? So just take it to the next rounding figure, 9 rupees. So 9 is the answer. Next, what do you want the answer? 6,88,000 and press equal to 6,88,000, press the equal to sign. 72.421. Make it 72.42. Unless and until it is not more than 5 decimals, don't round off. Okay? So 72.42. Next, what do you want? Profit. So 1,72,000, type and press equal to 1,72,000 and press equal to 18.105. 18.105. So round off the second decimal. So it will become 18.11. Clear? Okay. And last, sales. 8,60,000 and press equal to 8,60,000, press equal to 90.526. Round off the second one. So it will become 90.53. Clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is it clear whatever I said? Okay, great. Good. Okay, so got the difference between both the methods? Yeah. As per FIFO method, what is your profit? 18.11. And as per as per FIFO method, your your profit is 18 rupees per unit. And as per weighted average method, it is 18.11. 18 rupees 11 paisa per unit. Okay. Yeah, that's the difference, Swapni. Yeah, great. So you must be thinking कि just because of a change in method, only 11 paisa more profit you are earning. But bacha, just remember, in practical life, even this 11 paisa counts. I'll tell you how. Say for example, you are selling how many units? Say for you are a big manufacturer and you sell say somewhere around 1 lakh, 2 lakh units every year. So just imagine, even if there is a 11 paisa increase in your profit, just imagine, see the calculation. 2 lakh units sold multiplied with 11 paisa. 22,000 overall it impacts you. Understood? Okay. So cost accounting, the beauty of the subject is this, ki even with an increase in 1 paisa, also it shows you the difference of the increase in the net profit. Okay, clear? Okay, clear about this. So next lecture I won't be taking so much of time in explaining everything in so depth. This was the first sum with shortcut of the CPU column, so I went very slow so that you get tuned in with the method. Okay, next lecture onwards I will just start with CPU. I will just tell you this divide by this, and फटाफट we will get the answers. Okay, and this last part, so obviously either I will give it you all to do it. If I do it with weighted average, then FIFO I will give you all to solve it. So you can start from COP, make it a shortcut and do it. Okay, so henceforth we will do sums with both the methods. Okay, we will do it with both the methods so that you guys are clear about the concept. Okay, any doubts anyone has? Everything is very clear. Just acknowledge it. Okay, fine. Thanks then. You can take a leave from the meeting. Okay.